As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these two portable propane grills, the Charbroil Grill2Go X200 and the Monument Grills Tabletop Grill. What are your thoughts?
Okay, let's dive in. Right off the bat, the Charbroil is a bit cheaper, around $148 compared to the Monument Grill at $175. But is that a big deal?
Not necessarily. I'm more interested in what I get for the money. What about size and power?
Well, both have roughly the same cooking area, around 200 square inches. The Charbroil boasts 9,500 BTUs from a single burner, while the Monument Grill has two burners totaling 15,000 BTUs. So Monument has a significant power advantage.
So the Monument Grill probably heats up faster and more evenly?
Potentially, yes. Plus, having two burners gives you more control over different heat zones. You could sear on one side and keep things warm on the other. The Charbroil uses TRU-Infrared cooking, which claims to eliminate flare-ups and distribute heat evenly. It's a different approach.
Interesting. What about portability? They're both tabletop grills, right?
Exactly. They both weigh around 20 pounds, so they're pretty similar in terms of lugging them around. The Charbroil has a latching lid, which is a nice touch for secure transport, and both have handles.
What about materials? Anything stand out there?
The Charbroil has porcelain-coated steel grates, which are rust-resistant and easy to clean. The Monument Grill uses stainless steel grates and stainless steel burners, which are also durable and easy to maintain. Some say stainless steel is superior in durability, particularly the burner.
Okay, so the Monument Grill has more power and potentially better heat control, while the Charbroil is a bit cheaper and has that TRU-Infrared system. Anything else I should consider?
The Monument Grill comes with a barbecue cover.
Tough call. I guess it depends on whether I prioritize even cooking and heat control or saving a few bucks and trusting the infrared tech. Thanks for the breakdown. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.